Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can scrape data from Amazon easily without any problem. But why do we need to scrape that data? I mean, what are the advantages of having structured data from Amazon? We can use that data for market intelligence, dropshipping purposes, forecasting and AI modeling, and also we will be able to analyze our competitors in the market. But when you really want to scrape data from Amazon, there is a CAPTCHA that blocks you, definitely. And also there are more challenges such as IP blocks and rate limits. And tell me how you want to parse that dairy data between those HTML codes. In this video, I'm going to show you by using a Scrapeless API how easy it is to scrape data from Amazon with the cheapest price in the market. So let's get started. But what is a Scrapeless? A Scrapeless is an all-in-one toolkit for scraping data. No matter you are a business owner or a developer, we have your back. Apart from a scraping API, you can also use our proxies, CAPTCHA solvers, and many more. Once you register, you will be able to sign in into your account. Okay, at the left, you will see the tool that we provide, and we want to go with the scraping API and Amazon one. You will see that we have Scraper Amazon product, seller, and keyword. Product for scraping data from product detail and information, everything, prices, reviews, stock availability, and many more. And also you can scrape seller information, okay, which is really great and new. And also you will be able to scrape search results on Amazon based on keywords, okay. I'm gonna start with product details. First, see how it works in the playground, okay? For scraping product details, you only need the async code for that product. For example, I'm gonna scrape this beautiful red dragon keyboard. You will find the async code here in the URL. We copy this and we just insert it here, and then you just need to hit start scraping. Also, you will find our documentation here at the right, and we provide 3 types of codes for 3 programming languages. There it is. Title, seller name, Amazon brand description. Also, you will find the pricing details, availability, and reviews count, categories, and many interesting things, and how we can integrate this API in Python. Here at the request tab, you will find Python, Golang, and Node.js, and many more things are available in our docs. Okay, I'm gonna go with Python because I'm crazy about Python. You need to copy this code and be careful about your own token, your own API key. I'm gonna use a VS Code. You can install it for free, and also you should install Python at python.org. Let me copy this code and in a file that I've made, amazon.py, and let me just save it. You can run this code by using this command, python amazon.py, but first of all, you need to install request module. You don't have to install JSON because you already have it on your system when you install Python, but you should install request using pip install request. I'm gonna show you in a second. Pip install request. I've already installed it, so I can continue. Perfect. Oh, my bad. And now I've saved the code and I can easily run it by using this command, python amazon.py. And we are sending the async code here, as you can see, but I'm going to show you how you can make it dynamic, and you can make this process fully automated, okay? And here you can see everything that we want for that Amazon keyboard here. For example, the name, the title, here we have the pricing, also at the end, the images, the reviews, and many more, okay? Yeah, you just can see how organized it is. And how we can make it dynamic, for example, yeah, it is your code, it is just a sample. You can do anything that you want, okay? But as a programmer, I prefer to put a F here, and here I'm gonna put this async code in this format, okay? And now, I'm gonna say that, for example, my async is this, okay? And here I just need to put the async code. Perfect. Let me just save it and rerun this code, python amazon.py. And whenever that you wanna search for more products and new products, you just need to change this async code, okay? Perfect. Now let's see how we can scrape data from seller, which can be really good and crazy, in my opinion, as a scraper, okay? And for seller, if you hit the scraper Amazon seller, you will find that it is exactly like before with some changes. For example, you need to put the seller ID here. And for example, I've selected this Red Dragon zone, and as before, you find the seller ID here, for example. Let me copy this once again and paste it here. You will also search based on zip code as before, and you will find the data here. Fast, clean, and crazy. And in the code, you just need to change some codes here. For example, you have to use this SP seller, and also here at the payload, you just have to set that you want to send for our seller API. Okay, let's do the same like product detail in the code. And yeah, so it's not gonna be ASIN anymore. Seller ID maybe. Also, we should do it like, in fstring mode, okay, because I just want to show you how you can make it dynamic, okay? And be careful about it. You should send the request to the scraper.amazon.seller, okay? Otherwise, it's not gonna work, okay? Because we are passing the payloads and input data different. Zip code is the same, and let me see what we have. We should change this URL also. Let me do it here. And what's next? We just need to change this product ID, ASIN code to seller ID, which is exactly here that we took. Let me save it. Let me clear my terminal, and let me just run this amazon.py. Perfect. Easy and clean. Okay. Wow. Lots of data from that seller. And now it's time to talk about our Amazon keyword, which can scrape search results from Amazon, which is really crazy. And as you can, we have pagination here and many more things, okay? And it is easy. There is no ASIN code and there is no seller ID. You just have to put your keyword. For example, iPhone 14 Pro, and just let me start scraping and show you the response. And here, easy, fast, clean, clear, crazy. Like before, we have anything here, and we can paginate using this page parameter here. For example, it says that we currently on our page 1, and there are 19 pages. For example, how to scrape the second page? Easy. You just need to put the second and 2 integer here for scraping data from the second page. And yeah, easy. And if you want to, for example, scrape total pages, you just need a Python for loop, and it starts from 0, not 0, from 1 to 19, okay? Easy. And for that, you need to change your input data like this, and don't forget to send the request, set your payload to our Amazon keywords. Alright, we just saw how easy it is to scrape data from Amazon without any problem. I said any. We didn't encounter CAPTCHAs, rate limits, and IP blocks. And about the pricing, I have to say that we just charge you $0.8 per 1,000 requests, which is the cheapest price in the market, and it is really affordable and cost effective. If you have any question about scraping data from Amazon, no matter keywords, products, and seller, ask me in comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now.